Hi everyone, and welcome to Chef Din's cooking tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. So before we start, please pause the video now and get all the ingredients ready you require to make this dish. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, because then you'll get notified when I post new videos. And so let's not waste any more time and let's cook. But before we do start to cook, it's very important that we get everything ready before we start. When I started cooking these curries for my series, I had to spend good 3 hours getting the base gravy ready, getting the onions ready, and the chicken and all the other bits we need to create all different types of curries. And most importantly as well, we need to get our onions ready as well. There's 3 types of onions what we use in this style of cooking, and that is one, the Balti onions. I call them Balti onions because they are small, and it's what I used when I was making my Baltis back in the 80s. In the restaurant. So we need to get the Balti onions ready. We also need to get the Bhuna onions ready and the Dupiaza onions ready. The Dupiaza onions are mostly used in the Dupiaza dish and also in jal fry. So they are like just boiled and cooked for about I think about 3 or 4 minutes, and that's it, you turn it off. And also the Bhuna onions, which is boiled and cooked for about 10 minutes, then you turn it off. And then you have everything basically ready to start your curries. And all the recipes for the onions you find in the descriptions. I'll leave a link. But also, most important as well, you need the mixed spice. I create my own mixed spice. This is what I used in my restaurant. So it's very simple to make. So get this ready, and then we're all ready to go basically. If you have any queries or any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if I can, I will give you the information you need. So let's not waste any more time now and start cooking our curries. Hello and welcome, I'm Chef Din, and today I'm going to cook you a chicken Methi. This is a really popular dish in the restaurant. I put this on the menu back in the 80s, and at that time I thought I was the first to do it, but I'm not sure who was the first. But this is a lovely dish, chicken Methi, and I'm going to just let you watch the video. I have all the ingredients listed for you to write down. At the beginning you can get all your ingredients ready, which is a good way to do it, and then just basically follow the instructions as you watch the video. Right, we're nearly ready to serve now, and just to give it probably another minute or two, and then we can serve this curry. I hope you enjoy my restaurant style curries. I've been cooking them for many years, and hopefully with my experience you too can cook lovely curries like this. But remember, you need to cook my base, my onions, everything to create a good balance to your curries. So I wouldn't advise using other people's base and other people's pre-cooked items to cook my dishes. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Just takes a second, but it helps this channel to grow. And also tell your friends so that they too can cook lovely curries. So thanks for watching my videos, and hopefully we'll meet again on my other videos.